Hello, dear investors and traders. Information and analytical service is in touch GURU.Markets. Thank you so much for helping us. Help forms in the description of this video. Dear viewer, please give this video your royal like. Your thumbs up is very important for spreading the project GURU.Markets. We will look at the company's current fundamentals. SIGA Technologies, Inc., ticker SIGA. The review was made using current information as of September 4, 2024. According to classification GURU.Markets company SIGA Technologies Incorporated belongs to the subcategory Pharmavirus. 22 companies are involved in the analysis. This is quite representative. Let's start with general information about the company. If necessary, it is possible to pause the video. We invite you to consider each indicator of the organization in more detail. Access to the database with the ticker structure is free and open. Well, friends, we are finally starting. Market capitalization of the corporation SIGA Technologies Incorporated valued at $0.55 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $108 billion. SIGA Technologies Incorporated has a share of 0.51% and is one of the small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $0.16 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $22 billion. SIGA Technologies Inc. accounts for a share of 0.734%. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we will see the following. Share SIGA Technologies Incorporated in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 0.51%. The book value is 0.734%. This is a 44% increase in market value share. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory. Good 1 point. Overall company assessment. SIGA Technologies Incorporated will be presented at the very end of the review. Please watch the analysis to the end. The company under study has financial liabilities of $0.002 billion. Debt to book value represents 1.3% of the company's equity. Score for the company's financial obligations. Very good, 2 points. The company's market price to earnings ratio is 6.5. The average in the subcategory is 0. This is significantly better than in the subcategory. An assessment of the company's stock price to its profit in comparison with the subcategory. Very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $84 million. Forward earnings for the coming 12 months are expected to be $89 million. This is 5.5% more than currently. An assessment of projected future profit performance in comparison within the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 3.2. The subcategory average of 3.6 is 11% lower than the subcategory average. Assessment of the company's market price to revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $170 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $180 million. This is 6% more than now. Assess projected future sales performance against subcategory performance. Good, 0.5 points. If you're interested in this analytics, then in this case, I kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. For you, because it is free, you will be the one who will greatly help disseminate the project GURU.Markets. The sales margin is 48.6%, with the average in the subcategory minus 6.3%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 54.9%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.19%, which is 168% less than the market capitalization share. And this shows the imbalance in the current stock market value of the company, SIGA Technologies Inc., most likely towards revaluation. The amount of capital for each employee of the company is $12,242,000. And in the subcategory, there are $4,552,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the organization's performance is 168.9%. Estimation of the company's market capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The profit per employee is $1,864.4 thousand, with the average in the subcategory minus $81,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is $1,945,000. Estimation of profit per company employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The revenue for each employee of the company is $3,842,000. In the subcategory, $1,278,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 201%. Estimation of revenue per individual company employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions is 15.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 6.7%. This is an indicator of a possible short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 39% for the company SIGA Technologies Incorporated. In the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 44%. Technically, the subcategory securities are valued approximately the same as the company's shares SIGA Technologies Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price SIGA Technologies Incorporated and subcategory shares, we will see that over 12 months the company's shares SIGA Technologies Inc. showed a change of 80.6%. Against price dynamics in the subcategory minus 18.4%. This doesn't say anything definitively, but we need to take note of this fact. The overall result is 6.5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is minus 2.7 points. If you look very broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, we can note that the average rating for the market in the aggregate is 0.3 points, against a score of 6.5 points for SIGA Technologies Incorporated. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly made decisions by the information and reference evaluation system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in pinned comment. Based on stock analysis SIGA Technologies Incorporated. Information and Reference Assessment System GURU.Markets. A decision is made. Open a deal due to the fact that SIGA Technologies Inc. is the most undervalued company in the subcategory. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the Information and Reference System GURU.Markets. You really are the most excellent audience.